In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back Elementor, the popular WordPress page builder. Whether you've encountered issues after an update or simply prefer an older version's features, rolling back can be a useful option. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring your site remains intact and functional. First and foremost, you must ensure that your website is backed up entirely. This is a crucial step just in case something doesn't go as planned. Having a backup allows you to restore your site to its previous state. There are various plugins available for backing up your WordPress website, like Updraft Plus or Backup Buddy, offering easy ways to save copies of your site's data with just a few clicks. Once you've backed up your site, move on to the next step. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's central hub, where you can manage themes, plugins, and more. Once you're in, look for the menu on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins, and click Install Plugins. This takes you to a list of all the plugins installed on your website. Here, you'll find Elementor. If you've got a lot of plugins installed, you can use the search bar at the top right of this section to find Elementor quickly. Once you've located Elementor, you'll notice a link below the plugin's name that says Rollback. Clicking on this link will open up the rollback options. This process is made possible by installing a plugin like WP Rollback, which adds this functionality to your dashboard. If you don't see the rollback option, make sure WP Rollback is installed and activated on your site. After clicking Rollback, a new screen will appear, giving you the choice to select which version of Elementor you'd like to roll back to. It's usually best to choose the most recent stable version prior to the one that caused issues. You can identify these versions by looking at the changelog or by checking online forums where community members discuss stable releases. Once you've made your selection, click the Rollback button to proceed. The rollback will then commence. Ensure that you don't navigate away or close the browser during this process. Once complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. It's always a good practice to clear your website's cache at this point. Caching plugins like W3 Total Cache or WP Super Cache often store static versions of your site's pages that might still reflect the old version of Elementor after the rollback. Clearing the cache ensures that any changes made including the rollback are immediately visible to users. Finally, go to a few important pages on your site to double-check they're looking and functioning well. If everything seems fine, the rollback was successful. Congratulations, you've successfully rolled back Elementor. Should you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Elementor's support or visiting community forums for advice. Thanks for watching, and until next time.